Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a very quick workout for you, which is at a very beginner level. So if you're just starting to work out and you have no idea what to do, this is the perfect workout for you. It's very easy and very light. But if you're already at an advanced level, this workout is perfect for the mornings if you just need a quick jump start to your day. So with that said, grab a mat and let's go. Alright, so we're going to start on all fours first. We're going to make sure that our belly button is in. We're going to lift our legs, stretch it. So once again, tucking in your belly button, making sure that you're in a straight line. And we're just going to hold here. We're going to crunch in, so bending the knee towards our head and then stretching out. So stretching, then bending, stretching, bending. So you can really feel this in your abs when you're crunching in, and at the same time you're feeling in this butt when you're lifting the leg back. Good, and we're just gonna hold here, just getting our balance in order. And we're gonna lift the opposite arm, and we're gonna start switching to the other side. So we're changing, and then changing again, and just alternating sides. Still keeping our belly button in, trying to make a straight line. Good, stretching that leg all the way, pointing the toe. And we're just gonna hold here on the original side. We're gonna put the arm down, bring the leg down and stepping onto the other one. And we're just gonna crunch that knee in, trying to meet our head with our knee in this plank position. And we're gonna come to plank and making sure that our belly button is tucked in, butt is under, weight is over the shoulders. Good, just hold here. We're gonna bring one knee down. We're gonna switch to the side, making sure you have room, unlike me. And we're just gonna lift that one leg, bringing ourselves into one line. You can put your hand on your hip, and we're just gonna hold here, making sure our stomach is still in, no arching, no slouching. Your head can be wherever, you can look up, you can look down, however it feels comfortable. We're gonna bring that leg down, and we're gonna come for a full side plank. Just hold here. You can keep that knee down if this is too difficult. Good, just hold and release and come back to the previous exercise and just hold again. Stretching that leg, pointing the toe. Perfect, and release. And just take a breather, relax. We can stretch to the side, other side. Come down to child's pose. Just relax a bit, release all the tension, catch your breath. And we're gonna come up and we're gonna repeat this all on the other side. So coming on to all fours, lifting the other leg first and just holding here. And then we're gonna crunch in and we're gonna stretch back. So crunching in with your head and then stretching back. And we're doing 2 times 8 here. Good, and last one, and we're just gonna hold here, stretch that leg as much as you can, and we're gonna lift the opposite arm, keeping our belly button in. We have a straight line with our back here. Just hold, and we're gonna alternate now. Stretching that leg, pointing that toe on each one. Good, keep going. 2 times 8. Good, last one. And we're just gonna hold on the original side, creating a straight line. Hold, hold, hold. And release the arm. And we're going to bring that knee down. We're gonna come to a plank position in a minute. We're gonna crunch that knee to our head. Just hold here. And we're gonna come to plank, hips under, belly button in. Good, hold it. And we're just gonna bring the knee down that we just crunched with. And we're just gonna come for a side hold. So bringing that leg up, hands on your hip, and belly button in, stomach in. Really making sure we're stretching that leg, pointing that toe. And we're gonna release the leg and we're gonna come for a full side plank. Again, if this is too hard for you, keep that bottom knee bent. Hold, hold, hold. Hip up, hip up. Good, and release. Let's come back to that side hold. Just hold it here. Leg as high as you can get it. Stretching it. Stomach in. Good, and release. And we're gonna come for some quick stretches. So stretch to the side. And the other side, stretching those obliques. Come down to child's pose, catch your breath. Good, and come up slowly. And now we're gonna come for a small ab series. So we're just gonna lower back a little bit. So making sure that our stomach is engaged. And we're just gonna lift one knee and then the other. We're really pointing our toe here. Shoulders are down, they're back. So you're not slouching in this position. And we're just alternating here. Good, 2 times 8. And last one. And we're gonna lower all the way down, very nice and slow. Hands are behind our head. And we're just gonna bend our knee. And we're gonna do the same movement. So you have a choice to leave your head down or you can bring it up. We're really making sure that our elbows are nice and open here so we're not keeping them too tight together. You're bringing it all from your abs. You're not bringing it from your head. Good, just alternating here, 2 times 8 again. Keeping those abs engaged, making sure that they're nice and tight. And we're gonna hold on one side and we're gonna do a little twist action. So trying to meet our elbow with the knee. And we're going down and then coming up and twisting. Good. And we're gonna come to the previous exercise. So just lifting one knee at a time. You can relax your head at any point if it's too much, if you feel too much strain in your neck. Perfect, and we're gonna pause on the other side and we're gonna do that little crunch twist again. So still making sure that our elbows are nice and wide, our stomach is engaged, we're not letting loose anywhere. Good, and let's relax, bring those legs down, stretch them, stretch your arms back, and we're just gonna create a nice long line, arching that back, stretching those abs. All right, now we're gonna put our hands under our butt, and first I'm gonna show you an easy version of what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna bend our knees and just meeting our toes with the ground, so just going up and down. But if you're a little bit more advanced, you can stretch your legs and do full leg raises here. I have my feet flexed, but my legs are totally stretched. If the full leg raises are too difficult for you, please continue with the easier version. And last one, and release. Just bring your feet to the ground. And we're gonna do a final exercise for our abs. So what we're gonna do is make our stomach really, really tight. And then we're gonna release. And then we're gonna engage it again. So really tight to the ground, bringing that spine to the ground and release. And we're engaging it. And we're releasing. And we're gonna come for some bridges now. So our feet are the same line with our hips and we're just lifting our hips up and down here. Keep going, 2 times 8 here, very slow movement. Really trying to engage our butt every time we go up. really squeezing it. And we're gonna hold here, hold it up, squeeze that booty. Keep breathing and release. And let's come back to that previous exercise where we engage our abs and then we release and we engage it, bringing that spine to the ground and release and engage and release and engage and release. So now we're gonna bring our knees to our chest. We're gonna bring our head to the knees. Just hold here. You're gonna feel this in your abs. Good, hold, hold, hold. Release. And we're gonna come for a roll like a ball. So we can hold under our knees or hold our knees, and we're just gonna roll back and forth, holding at the top. And roll back and hold. And last one, hold it, hold it, hold it. And we're gonna release and we're gonna be finished. So I hope you guys liked that workout. I hope it was very helpful to you. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.